Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. And today I'm going to review the Edifier NeoBuds Pro. Now I don't know if you can see that it says here they have high-res wireless certified because they have LHDC. So there are very few true wireless headphones that have this. Having this high definition audio codec. They also have active noise cancellation. There's an app. They're Bluetooth 5. They've got AAC as well as the LHDC. ANC on. You get 5 hours from the earphones plus an extra 15 per case. If you turn ANC off, you have 6 hours with the earphones and about up to another 18 with the case. Okay, so I'm now going to run through the Edifier app, Connect app, and show you what options you get with the earbuds. First of all, it shows you the battery level with the earbuds. You can see at the moment I've got ambient sound. You can scroll through the various options: high noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, standard, and ambient sound. With the ambient sound, you can adjust how much you want to let in or let out. If you flick across, you've got the sound tuning, classic. It keeps it from day one in dynamic, and then you can also go into the customized section, hit the settings and fine tune everything. You can also look at specific frequencies and actually select digitally what you would like, or put in the values that you would like, and you can see the various options that you have there as well. You also have some further options in the other settings where you've got tap settings, Bluetooth, repair, factory settings, the manual, and tap sensitivity. So the app is pretty good and offers a lot of options. This is a really big box, and these are the headphones. So what on earth do you get in this box? Well, let's go and take a look at this box, which you do get a fantastic presentation. So the first thing that you get is you obviously have the headphones, but you also get all these different color coded ear tips with different sizes, and I think that's really good because it makes it a lot easier to fine tune that fit to get you the perfect fit. And they come out like so. You get some cards, leaflets, quick start guide, manual, and here you get a case to put everything in as well. So it's a really nice presentation, really straightforward. And underneath the manuals, you have a very neatly placed cable, USB A to USB C. So here are the actual earphones themselves. And if I take one out, they're really stylish. You can see that. They've got really cool, as you can see, it's charging, that lit up, and if you saw that, it's got USB-C here. They don't have Qi wireless charging, just USB-C. And that's the only weakness in this product. But these are £109. So I'm going to talk about everything about these, but I'm going to start from right now and say these are absolutely terrific. They sound way better than my AirPods Pro, way better. These are just fantastic. I absolutely love them. Let's just talk. First of all, call quality is good. It's really good. No trouble doing call quality. Put a fan on, tried that, did calls, no problem. No lip sync with videos. I'm going to jump straight into the sound quality. These just stand out. They absolutely stand out, head and shoulders above anything else that I've heard, and they're only £109. I was expecting these to cost more, a lot more, and it just shows you how commoditized the wireless earbuds have become. These were fantastic. So, what's so good? Well, it's just the separation. You can hear different instruments, bass, treble, mids. Perfect, really lovely, really expressive, dynamic. And they just have this quality where you feel attached to the music. This is just terrific. I was actually going to just start this review in under 1 minute saying, here we go, Edifier NeoBuds Pro, they're brilliant, buy them, goodbye. And that's how good I think these are, and terrific. Anyway, if you've got any questions, leave them below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.